hell yeah.
This next piece is called Never Be Me. Remember that one person that will never leave your mind? Okay, quiet down, everybody. Quiet down, quiet down, quiet down. Y'all ready? Okay. Remember that one person that will never leave your mind? No matter how much you try, you cry and wish they would die, but they're still stuck in your mind? Let's rewind to the times when you were mine and we were one under the sun together forever, always having fun till she came. And although I pretended to be blind, I could tell by the look in your eyes that her light had overshadowed mine. I was wondering what she had on me to see. She holds what we used to be, and I still can't seem to see how I lost hold of we. I mean, how could you not see that we were meant to be? I guess all I wanted to believe was us in this fairy tale dream. So I was stuck, thinking what could I do to stop tripping over you when you still ain't had a clue. I made myself look like a fool, but now it's time I bring you back to reality, back to the tragedy, back to all the lies, the pain, the games we played, so I can finally walk away. See, I stopped pushing past clouds, blocking my view of you, of me, of we, of what we are and who we've come to be, and that's when I realized I was that girl. Pushed from a diamond to a pearl, because when she came, you left, and now I'm stressed. But see, that was my test, and now I'm blessed to see I'm better than the rest. What she lacks is what I possess. Your life consists of a 50-50% chance of rain, because I took my sunshine when you left your pain, and late at night when you held tight to your sheets, it's only because that spot was only destined for me. And no matter how far you go and chase, there ain't another girl that can take my place. See, I used to hold my tongue, but baby, now I'm speaking. No longer am I your late night after 9 free on the weekend. See, you can try and make her a better copy, but I'll always be the blueprint. And no matter how much you put the script in your mind, I will always be the index. And now you come to see and you hate what we've come to be, but baby, the conclusion is simple. She will never be me.
Okay.